Hyatt Regency in Santa Clara, California. These are Dover Traditionals with the ThyssenKrupp slap on. I believe that's the original floor passing beep. Original call stations. Look at that. That's weird. Looks like we got 3 service elevators. Oh, look. This was supposed to be a bank of 6, but those don't exist. Interesting how it's not updated on the map. Unless they removed them, but I highly doubt that. There's another one back there. Same one. Nice. I don't think all of them are working. We'll just ride up to 14 and end it up there. Here's your certificate. The fuck was that? Thirteenth floor. Oh wow, you can see Levi's Stadium out there. That place is massive. And there's the Santa Clara Convention Center. Crazy. That'll be